Good morning, College Achieve families. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. We're going to get started with today's math activity with a quick I can statement before we jump into our mini lesson for today. Our I can statement for today is, I can add two-digit numbers using base tens. We're going to be working with base tens today in order to help organize and keep track of our numbers. Let's get started with our mini lesson for today. Alright, let's get started. So, first we're going to be adding vertically. All the problems have already been set up for you vertically for today. We're going to be drawing with base 10 blocks to help us solve these problems. How does that look like? First, we are going to start with 58 plus 21. I've also drawn a blank tens and ones chart for us to use. I'm going to draw my numbers based off their place value over here. Because I have 5 in the tens place, I'm going to draw 5 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to draw 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important to remember that our tens are long lines and our ones are small circles or squares. That way we can keep track of which one we are counting. Next, I'm going to break up the number 21 in the same method. So I have 2 tens and I have 1. Now I can count them up and figure out. Let's start on my tens side. Take a moment. How many lines are there in the tens place column that I've drawn? If you got 7, great job. I can count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means that there are 7 in the tens place altogether. What about in my ones place? How many ones do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means that there are 9 ones altogether. So the sum of 58 plus 21 would be 79. Let's try one more. Again, I've set up this problem vertically, and we're going to jump right into it. How many do I have in the tens place? I need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I draw my ones. 1, 2, 3. I've drawn them in their base 10 form. Now count. How many all together are there in the 10 side that I've drawn? If you got 11, great job. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For now, it's okay to put 11 here. In the future, we'll talk about how only one digit can be in the tens place. Let's count up our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have 11 tens and 4 ones. Now this number is not 11-4, it's 114. It's important to know that this is 114, that even though there are 11 tens, we don't say 11-4. Now it's time to look at our work for today. I've given you 3 problems that all have different numbers in them. Your job is going to be to solve them. Number 1 is 52 plus 35. Number 2 is 68 plus 11. And number 3 is 74 plus 24. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And as always, have a wonderful day.